Y'all, I feel so lucky because I've still got my girlfriend, Rebekah, in here in the kitchen with me. So I'm going to put her to work. You know I am. I got a recipe from Mattia Johnson. I think that's how you pronounce it. She just shortens her name to Tia. She sent me a recipe, I think like in 21, and a lemon chicken salad. And she said, I'm so pleased that you liked it, Paula. So I wanted to share with you a potato salad recipe that me and my family have been enjoying. Your videos always bring me joy. Love, Tia from Wales.
Wow. That's a long way away.
It's right across the pond, isn't it? Whoa, Tia.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you. So this is a very unusual potato salad. And she said, serve it with any protein you like. I love chicken and, of course, garlic bread, girlfriend. Love you, Paula. I love you too, Tia. And I'm so happy that you wanted to share another recipe with me and all of our friends out there. So thank you, honey. All right. Let's see. She calls for 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 3 hard-boiled eggs chopped, half an onion chopped, 1 can of broad beans. And Teresa and I didn't know what a broad bean was, but it's a butter bean.
I looked it up, and there are such a thing as a broad bean, but we couldn't find them.
And 1 can of green beans drained. Now, these are French style. So I don't know if she uses French style or regular green bean. So we'll just have to see and make a judgment call on that. So boil the potatoes in salted water until just tender, and in a large bowl, mix the mayonnaise with the seasoning to taste. Add the rest of the ingredients and mix well, and taste for additional seasoning. Thank you, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. So, oh gosh.
Dripping.
You know, you turn these colanders sideways and there's always some more water down in there. Oh no, I don't want to do that next. I want to put my mayonnaise and seasonings in here first. Let me get a spoon. Yeah, this will be better. Mixing this up. And she calls for, I don't see, she doesn't tell us how much mayonnaise
She says
to use.
1 cup.
1 cup of mayonnaise. You
Plus
may need
more.
more. I've got my mayonnaise. I've got my silly salt. And now I'm going to add some regular salt. And you know what? I like coarse ground pepper.
Mm-hmm.
So I've got some coarse over here. So I'm going to grab it. Yeah, I just like it where I can taste it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this is not real coarse ground, I don't think. But it's better than that other real fine. So I'm just going to stir this up. You want to throw the onions in there, baby? And
I have 1/2 cup. Okay, let's go with that.
she said half of an onion.
And
Half an onion chopped.
Okay.
And that was a half an onion, so
Let's do it.
perfect. Okay, so we'll mix that up. And how about those eggs?
Chopped these, she said.
You know, I do those with my hands.
With your hands? Okay, all
But-
3, right?
Well, I would.
You gonna do them first?
Yeah, I would mash them up first or chop them. Either way you want to do.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Right.
I'm thinking that we might need a little bit more something wet to go in this.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to pull out this sour cream because I like the idea of the sour cream.
All
Okay,
right.
I think that's good. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
You is so good.
go.
Thank you. Thank you. That's a lot of potatoes to dress. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of sour cream. Okay, here we go. You want to start stirring as I pour it in?
Sure.
Thank you. Maybe do it a little bit at the time. Ooh, we got us some mayonnaise. We got us some mayonnaise.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I hope I didn't add too much mayonnaise, but I think by the time we add our peas.
Oh, yeah. It's got lots of good flavors in here.
Our broad beans. And she told us to just use canned broad beans, canned green beans. And you have to be careful using canned green beans because they can get a real canny taste. So you want to make sure that you rinse those. And after I drain the can of that first rinse water, I fill it up again and pour a little vinegar in there.
To take out that metallic.
And that vinegar would take out that kind of canny taste.
It's a good tip.
Yeah, I think so. I didn't put too much mayonnaise, did I?
No, I don't think so. That's a lot of potatoes.
Yeah.
It can handle it.
Yeah. And once you put them in the refrigerator, it soaks it up.
Right.
Tea up! You know, I'm going to be, well, I'm always very honest, but I'm going to be very, very honest. I am a kind of a turd about my potato salad. You know, I love it.
A purist.
Yes, a purist potato salad. And I said, I really don't think I'm going to care for this Tia. I was wrong. And if I'm wrong, I say I'm wrong.
All right.
It's delicious. Come on.
Yeah,
you got to try
this.
some.
Get in here with it. It's on the money.
I think we need 2 forks.
I like that. That's really good. Lots of tender potatoes and good beans in there.
This is a 2-fork dish.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, honey. Bon appetit.
Yes.
I'm going to try to get, I'm going to try to get some with
a little bit of that green bean.
Yeah. Crazy. Crazy, Teresa.
I think that sour cream helped it with the cutting that mayonnaise. It's very good. Be good with a smoked chicken as a side dish or anything you grill.
What you think about double dipping?
I think it's your house and
double dip.
You can do anything you want to.
Tia.
Delicious.
Thank you, girl. And I'm going to be just sitting here waiting on the next recipe from you. Loving best dishes to all of y'all. You got to try it. You got to try it.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.